Welcome to Bosque De Duende in beautiful real Turbio, Santa Cruz, Argentina. Today is Wednesday, May the 6th, 2026. It's Howard Posher with Julie. Hey.
Hola.
Muchas esculturas.
Muchas esculturas por el Bosque de los Duendes.
Yes, there's one right there and
Okay,
one right there, one right there. Yep. It's a very nice place there. So if you're looking for a great place to visit, you definitely found one. Come to Bosque De Duende. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Gracias.
Gracias.
Let me show you the esculturas. All right, see you later.